Hello and welcome to the channel. We are going to continue with long vowel I sound. The sound of long vowel I is I. We have done the words which have I and they end in E. So now I produces its long vowel I sound. We have also covered the words where we have IE. The first vowel being I, it produces its long vowel I sound. And now today we are going to do the words which have Y in the end, and that Y produces its long vowel I sound. We have done this before, that Y produces vowel sound of I in some cases. For example, it produces a short vowel sound in words like very or happy, beautifully, merry, and it also produces a sound of long vowel I in words like my, and that is what we are going to do today. The first word being my. First alphabet M, and then Y. Here it produces a sound of long vowel I, my, so it ends in Y, my. The next one is cry. CR blends its sound of k and r and becomes cr, ends in I sound, and so we have Y. Cry, my, and this is cry. Similarly, we have a dry. DR here is going to blend its sound, and DR will produce a sound of dr. Dr, I, dry. My clothes are dry. Now let's try and try. Yes, let's try to write try. Now when I say try, t sound is produced. So I'm going to start it with t, which is alphabet T. Now whenever you have to write, you break up the sounds of your alphabets. Try, try. Now when you hear try, you hear a blended sound of two consonants, which is tr, try, try. So we cannot miss the sound of r here. It's very clear, tr. If I miss out the sound of r, it's going to be tie. It's try, r sound. So alphabet R. And it will end in Y because there's a clear sound of long vowel I. Try. Again, similarly, we have fry. Fr is making a sound of fr, fr, I, fry. And we have our digraph SH, which makes a sound of sh. Sh, Y makes a sound of shy. Sh, Y, shy. My, cry, dry, try, fry, and shy. And now we're going to do homophones. These homophones are special. You know why? Because they are producing their long vowel I sound, and they are exceptions. Now, what are exceptions? Exceptions mean when something doesn't follow the rule. Now, English language has many rules when it comes to reading or writing. Now, when I say my will end in Y, I also said cry will end in Y because they have a long vowel I sound. But when I say hi, when I greet somebody, hi, then it does not end in Y. It is H-I, hi. So This is our first homophone pair. This is high. The next one is high again. This high is high and low. I climb up on the tree. So this is high. GH again in most of the cases does not produce any sound. So we remove GH, not while writing, just while reading. So we do not read GH sound. It's going to be HI again, which is high. Yeah, so this is high when we are greeting, and this high is when something goes up or down. Let's do some sentences. This is a statement. It will start with a capital, end with a period. My hands, and then you can blend this sound. ND sound becomes nd, hand, and end with S when we are saying plural, more than one. So hand, hands. My hands are the side word from before. My hands are dry. Something that we did today. My hands are dry. Again a statement starting with a capital, ending with a period. I try. My best sound is going to blend. I try my best to read. This we have done covered before. So my hands are wet, dry, and I try my best to read. And we are done with long vowel I sounds. In the next lesson, we are going to cover long vowel sound of alphabet vowel O. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.